On the left here, I'm going to write the binary representation of the number, and on the right, I'll write the base 10 representation. Remember, binary is base 2. So if we have 0, 0, 0, 1, that equals 1. If you have 0, 0, 1, 0, now we have that would equal 2. If you had 0, 0, 1, 1, that would equal 3. And if you had 0, 1, 0, 0, that would equal 4. So what would be 5? It would be the 4 plus 1, right? And then here this would be 6. That'd be 1, 1, 0 equals 6. So if to understand this, you say that the first value, the maximum it can be is 1. For the second place value, the maximum that could represent is 2, or just on its own it represents 2. And this place value over here is a 4, and this one over here is 8. So these are all multiples of 2. So if you think about it, what is 4 plus 2? That is 6. Okay, so how would you make 7? You could do 4 plus 2, that's 6, plus 1 would be 7. So 0, 1, 1, 1 equals 7. What would be 8? It would be just a 1 followed by a series of zeros, right? Okay, and so you would go on and on. I think we continue on. We have 8 and then 16, 32. And so if you think about it, color is, when you're dealing with light, is RGB, and each one is 256 bytes. So you could make a series of numbers to represent a color.